What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Legit had to change my scuba driver shirts just after washing my car. It is like 100 degrees outside and I cannot stop sweating. It's very, very hot. But anyways, it's been a while, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my 2013 Scion FRS. I've been working on it for, I think I've had it almost 4 years now. Got it when it was completely stock, and we've got a lot of plans for it and some that I'm kind of debating on as well. So that's kind of the purpose of making this video. But anyways, we got a little bit to catch up on, so let's get started. So I know it's been, pretty sporadic how much I've been uploading, and it's really because, I haven't been doing too much to my car, been maintaining it, just got done cleaning it. Still really enjoying it. Still my daily driver. Every once in a while I'll drive the Cube to work, but for the most part I'm driving the FRS every single day. I do have some plans for it. As you guys know, I've made some previous videos explaining what I'm going to do, but seriously debating on quite a few things. Also, Sarah and I and a couple of our friends, we're going on a big trip at the beginning of the year for Sarah's birthday. So, been putting some money towards that and saving some money. So haven't really been ordering too many things for my car. I do plan on getting a few new things and just not, going completely over budget or going too crazy. The car does have 130,000 miles, I think right at 130,000 miles on it now, and knock on some wood, but I've had zero issues with the car other than the ones that I've caused myself. But let's talk a little bit about what I do plan on doing and kind of get you guys' opinion on it. So if you guys are new to the channel, a few months ago, my friend Kevin actually got me a Rocket Bunny V1 wide body kit for my car, and this is what I've seriously been debating on. This is what I get the most comments on, the most messages about on Instagram and on here on YouTube as far as why I haven't done this yet. And there's a few reasons, and I kind of want to talk about that with you guys right now. This is the full kit here. Of course, we got the front fenders, the rear quarter over fenders, and the extensions that go on the front and the rear as well. This kit is really, really awesome. I've seen some other people do it on YouTube, and of course it would make the car look even more aggressive. And obviously, we'd have to get new wheels and a few other things to do to the car as well, and there's a lot of prep work that goes into it. And this has just been my biggest debate I've had yet on this car, and it has slowed down everything I've been wanting to do to the car. Not in a negative way, just really trying to make the best decision here. I've been watching a few videos of how to do this, and I actually work in a body shop, and I've got some opinions from the body technicians, the really skilled technicians that I get the chance to spend every single day with. And I'm at a crossroads, so I really want to know what you guys think. Should I wide body my car? Should I keep it the stock body? The thing that scares me the most is, of course, cutting into the car. Cutting here, to me, not that big of a deal. It's just my front fenders. Obviously I had to cut them a little bit to get the vertical doors to work on the car, but cutting into my quarter panel scares the daylights out of me. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of work that goes into that. That is the structural integrity of my car. You basically have to cut through the outer quarter panel, and then you end up having to cut into the inner wheelhouse as well. Weld those up together to make sure it is sealed off correctly, and it just seems a little scary to me. That car is my baby. Obviously, I really don't think I'm ever going to sell it. It's got vertical doors on it. It's got mods that I think only I would really want on that car, and I don't think I'd ever get what I wanted for it. And I plan on driving it until the wheels fall off, and then when the wheels do fall off of it, get some new wheels, maybe get a new motor, who knows. I do plan on keeping it for a while. I use it every single day. It has been extremely reliable for me. I love that car. And I don't know, I really want to see it wide bodied, but I also think it does look really good as a stock body as well. And there's a ton of wide bodies out there. I see them at the car shows. I think they look absolutely sick, but I don't know, cutting into my car really scares me. So I really want to know what you guys think. Should I wide body it? If this was your car, if you drove it every single day, if you had 130,000 miles on it, would you cut into your car and put these fenders on? Let me know. The good thing is I do work at a body shop. I'm around a lot of skilled people. Kevin, my friend who got me this, who's obviously going to be helping me with this, every big thing I do to my car, he's helped me out tremendously. We've had a great time putting things on, and I know we'd have a great time putting these on my car. But working at the body shop, my painter is extremely skilled. He would definitely help me out. He said he might even let me get a little bit of the prep work in with him, and he could show me how to paint. I'd let him do most of it, to be honest with you. Wouldn't want my first time to be on my own car. I know that sounds weird, but it's I think it'd be a fun learning experience to learn how to paint these and do all the work. And you know, we'd be filming it start to finish, obviously, so you guys would get to see the entire process. But just really, if you can't tell, I'm having a hard time debating what to do. A lot of my friends are telling me to do it. A lot of the guys I work with are telling me be really careful cutting into my car, obviously, make sure I do it the right way. But it will, you know, I personally think it kind of takes away from the structural integrity of the car. If I were to get hit in my quarter panel, if it's not welded correctly, if I don't do it right, it just seems like it's a little bit unsafe. And since I drive that car every single day, I don't just drive it at car shows. I drive it to work, I drive to get groceries. Me and Sarah take trips in it. It's a car, it needs to stay safe. It's not a race car, it's not a show car, it's my car. So just really want to know, what do you guys think? Should I do it? Should I wide body my car? I think it would look absolutely sick. I've already got wheels, you know, picked out a few different styles of wheels, but you know, I kind of show you guys the process of picking those out. I'd sell these and you know, get some wheels that would fit the wide body kit, get the correct offset, get the correct size, get some wider tires, and make sure everything's paint matched correctly. So I would do it the correct way, but still just really debating on it. And another reason I haven't been filming way too much is I have a personal TikTok account. It's just called Scuba Steve. I can put the link in the description if you guys are interested in it. Doesn't really have anything to do with cars. I have my scuba driver one, you know, my Instagram and my TikTok for that, and I have a lot of fun with that. But I posted a video back in April and it went viral overnight. I woke up the next morning after posting it, had over 1 million views. Now it's up to like 13.5 million or something crazy like that. It's opened up a world of opportunity, believe it or not, for me. It's kind of weird. I've made a lot more money on TikTok, just on that personal account, than I've ever made on YouTube. And I do really enjoy filming YouTube, and I do not do this for money, obviously. I do it because I really enjoy filming this. I really enjoy cars. I really enjoy working on my cars, and talking in front of the camera has kind of helped me out a little bit in a lot of different ways in my life, but it's definitely made me less shy. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it is a lot of fun. But that TikTok video pretty much changed everything for Sarah and I. We've got over 100,000 followers on there. We post videos. We get lots of different brands that want us to unbox their products. So they send us free products, which is really cool. But on top of sending us free products, they pay us. I mean, we get paychecks for doing that, which if you would have told me that a few months ago, I would have just laughed. I had no idea what a little TikTok video could do. It's a very silly video. You guys should go check it out. But we basically just do unboxings and kind of just share a little bit of our life, and it's been fun, and it's helped me out monetarily, and it's also helping pay for our trip that we're going on. It's just wild, and that's not the only reason I haven't been uploading on here. Those are very quick videos. Doesn't really take that much time for me to make those. We have a lot of fun doing them, but I definitely want to get back to the car content, back to working on my car, whether it be wide bodying it or whatever we're going to do next. Going to make sure we keep up this channel. Thank you to everybody who has stuck around with me from the beginning. A lot of people still message me, ask me what's going on, ask me what I'm doing in my car. You know, some of my videos still get tons of views, for me at least, not that many views, but good views for me, more than I ever thought I would get on YouTube. And it just means a lot to me that some people do care, and some people are interested in what I'm doing in my car and reach out to me. And I really appreciate that a lot. It's been so much fun. We've got another Cars and Coffee. I plan on going to it next week. Hopefully, make sure, you know, if something comes up, obviously I won't be able to go, but we'll go out there and film, and maybe run into a few people, some of you guys out there. Hope to see you out there. But anyways, thanks so much for watching today's video. Please leave a comment, shoot me an Instagram message, whatever it may be. I'm trying to get everybody's opinion. If you've wide bodied your car and you regret it, or you love it and you highly recommend it, let me know. I'm just really torn, and I'm sorry, you know, I posted that video a few months ago. I really thought I was going to be starting it like the next day, the next week, whatever it was. And I know it's been a long time since we got this kit. You know, bottom of my heart, I really do want to do it, but just got to make sure I do it the right way, because once I cut that car, there's no turning back, really. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out more than you would know, and enjoyed talking to you guys today. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.